In this guide, I'll show you the quickest way to enable captions plus a few settings to check if they don't appear. First, open Disney Plus and start playing any movie or TV show. While the video is playing, press the star button on your Roku remote. Depending on your Roku model, you'll see either accessibility, captions, or captioning track. Open that menu and select your preferred subtitle language, such as English. Press the back button, and the subtitles should appear on the screen. If you don't see any subtitle options, check your Roku's built-in caption settings. From the Roku home screen, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and open Captions mode. Set it to On always if you want subtitles to appear automatically whenever they're available. You can also choose On Replay if you only want captions when replaying a scene. If subtitles still aren't showing up, restart the Disney Plus app by returning to the Roku home screen and opening it again. You can also restart your Roku by going to Settings, System, Power, and then System Restart. It's also a good idea to check for software updates. Go to Settings, System and Software Update, then select Check Now. Keeping both Roku and Disney Plus updated helps prevent subtitle and playback issues. Finally, remember that subtitle availability depends on the movie or show you're watching. Most Disney Plus content includes subtitles in multiple languages, but some titles may offer fewer options depending on your region or licensing. That's all it takes to turn on subtitles on Disney Plus using a Roku. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roku and streaming device tips.